very own talented, the very own woman who has started the cake decor from the very scratch. Yes, she's the founder of Confect Sugar Paste and India's first and only premium confectionery decor brand. The nation has caught the attention of this brand when our chef Gauri had been appeared in Shark Tank season 4. It's a great honor for us to have her witness here at second edition of Food Affair. So here we present to you the very own talented, the beautiful, the gorgeous Chef Gauri. Come on everyone, make some noise.
Hi everyone, मेरा नाम Chef Gauri है. I am Chef Gauri. I've got Fouad here who will be helping me out. And I thought कि why not end the day on something incredibly sweet. So we have an amazing demo. And मैंने सोचा कि सबसे easy for you guys to do at home, to replicate. You know, demos क्या होते हैं? I'm not here to show कि मैं कितनी fancy हूँ, मैं कितनी अच्छी चीज़ें बना सकती हूँ. But I'm here to show what I can teach you that you can make at home. That when you make it, you're like, oh, I learned this from her at this exhibition and oh, it's so easy to do. So today, that's what we're going to do. Winter is coming, at least Delhi में तो winter आ रही है, थोड़ी-थोड़ी. Fried चीज़ें खाने का बड़ा मज़ा आता है. A pastry में when you think fried, it's few things come to mind, right? So I thought, why not do something classic, but do it 3 ways. Bombolini, churros, and donuts.
Eclair.
Today we're going to do 3 things. And you know what the best part is? I'm going to use the same dough. Okay? Technically, churros has a different dough. But today we're going to try and see ki, how does it work. Can't be that bad, right? We're going to fry it anyway. So let's begin with the dough. It's a very easy, common dough for all. What we're going to do is we're going to take 500 grams of flour, a pinch of salt. Okay? So that's our first thing. We've got 260 ml of milk, which we're going to make lukewarm over here. And then we're going to add 80 grams of castor sugar and 7 grams of yeast. Why am I adding yeast to the warm milk? जो answers देगा ना मैं उसी को बांटूंगी end में, ये सोच लेना. To make it bloom, to activate it, okay. And क्या होगा अगर मैं गरम करके yeast डाल के फिर भूल जाऊँ? फिर क्या होगा? He's going to make the milk lukewarm. He's going to add these 2 ingredients, and when it is lukewarm, he's going to mix the maida into it, the flour. Once that is imbibed well, then you're going to knead it, and you're going to knead it with some butter. अब गूंदते तो हैं ना, भटूरे को भी गूंदते हैं, तो इसमें भी थोड़ा प्यार डालना पड़ेगा और मक्खन लगाना पड़ेगा. So exactly that. You knead it with butter till it becomes soft, but not चिपक रहा कि सारे fingers पे चिपक जाए. And we'll show you how it's done over here. And you rest it for 90 minutes. So that will be the first resting period for this. And the dough size should become double. ऐसा एक bowl लेंगे, इसमें हमने जो dough prepare किया उसको डालेंगे, and then we cover it with a damp cloth, ताकि humidity से the yeast gets more activated and works faster. So let's just see if the milk is heated up. Okay, so I'm putting in the castor sugar, 80 grams.
Chef, we have a question from the audience.
Yes.
Yeah, over to you.
What kind of flour is that? What flour?
It's maida.
Oh. Why maida? Why not any other?
Basic, whatever you get. Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart. Keep life simple. Yeah, you can turn this on. So I'm just whisking it a little bit because I want कि वो थोड़ा सा frothy हो जाए. Milk. The sugar incorporates and blends beautifully. And then we add the yeast. So I'm just continuing to whisk जब तक मुझे देखने पे दिख रहा है कि सब अच्छे से blend हो गया. I've shut the heat now. See the color of the milk has changed? Okay. Now we're going to incorporate the flour. Okay. I'm not going to add एक साथ सारा. अगर मैं एक साथ सारा डाल दूंगी क्या होगा guys? And it will take you twice as long to get it done, right? अभी तक ये थोड़ा slurry है. ठीक है? Because and the incorporation of the flour is very smoothly done. Now is the tricky part. But you will take this out and then you will mix the butter in. Yeah, knead it. So now you can see it's coming together. The second step, when you typically do, so when you do bombolini, it has milk, eggs, sugar, flour, butter. When you do donuts, it has milk, eggs, flour, sugar, butter. But when you do churros, what does it not have? One difference in churros is you do not have yeast. It is actually water, butter, flour and salt. And eggs if you want, but eggs are not cooked on the pan. It's cooked into the hot flour itself and then it goes into a piping bag. So you guys know, I'm feeling so happy to know that I'm in the baking crew here. Okay. So while he's getting the dough ready, this is what we made today itself, which we proved. Okay. So I want one volunteer to come. So the first proof has happened and the dough has doubled in size. ठीक है? Dough double हो गया? Alright. Now what I'm going to do is she's going to make 20 to 25 gram round balls, which we are going to fry, which is a bombolini. Okay, a bombolini mein please begin. All yours. Bombolini is light, fluffy from inside and it is cooked at a lower oil temperature. So 160 to 170 would be good. Kyun? Bhatura concept, your samosa concept, your kachori concept. I love that you're laughing. Ki the outside doesn't have to brown very fast, but the inside has to cook with love. On a serious note, so the first thing that we're actually making today is the bombolini. Okay. The second thing that we're going to make is the churros, because churros will be fried at about 170 to 175. And those are crisp on the outside and pillowy on the inside. These churros are going to be a little different because they have yeast and milk. We'll see how that turns out. Okay. Mere liye bhi first time. But I thought let's try. Right? Keep it exciting. Kuch to mystery honi chahiye. And the third one is the donuts, which is going to require the highest temperature. So 175 to 180. And what will happen is, in order to make the donuts, you're going to have to roll out the dough and cut it. Matlab, I would have depressurized it completely. So what we need to do here is we need to knead dough a little bit. थोड़ा सा इसमें प्यार डालना है और ये जो इसमें दरारें आ रही हैं ये हटानी है. And we need a very nice, smooth, round circle. Peda, guys, peda. Come, why don't you help us? Then we'll be able to fry it faster. What do you say? Aajo? Very simple concept. जितने हाथ होंगे उतने bombolinis और desserts बनेंगे और उतने लोगों को खिला पाएंगे. All right. Now let's talk about the fillings while these lovely ladies are doing my work for me. So anyway, what I ideally want is this beautiful round ball, and we're going to leave it there. Okay. Now, what are the fillings? Let's talk about the fillings while they're doing this. Okay. So, आजकल something is trending a lot, which is pistachio. And I also realized कि I love it. It tastes so good. पहले तो सिर्फ baklava and as dusting खाया था, but now that we're eating as a paste, it is like, I don't know. If you like sweets, then it's heaven. It is so rich. So we decided to make our own pistachio paste for this, okay? So all I did was take pistachios. You have two choices. If you have more time on your hand, you can peel off the skin. I generally leave the skin on. Or you can roast it a little bit on a tawa. And you can cool it down and then just rub it between your hands. And what happens is the skin separates. Okay? What is the difference? One will taste more earthy because it has the skin on it and less vibrant in color. And the other one will be more green and more vibrant. Okay? Mehnat is about 45 minutes plus or minus. After that, we added a little bit of condensed milk and we blended it together. Okay? Till it is as fine gets. I don't like it very pasty. It should have some authenticity of the, like, granulated a little bit. And then what we've done is we fold it in some white chocolate. Because if you add condensed milk to that, the fat of the pistachio, it will become very liquidy. So as soon as you bind that bombolini, you might just spurt out from the other end, right? So how do I stabilize that? One way is you put butter, but I don't think that it's going to taste so great, right? So white chocolate is something that stabilizes it plus adds 10x more flavor. And that's what we did. So that was the first filling. The second filling is a very simple chocolate sauce that we've done. You can either do a ganache, which is cream and chocolate. You boil the cream and you just put the chocolate in it and you're done. If you want to thin it out, add a little bit of milk, so it's not a very thick, goopy consistency ki सारे जो bite किया तो सारे दांतों पे chocolate लग गया and you're really trying to like scrub it off, you know. For the churros, we've kept it very simple. Cinnamon and castor sugar, really easy, works wonderfully. It's a classic, and you can of course use dipping sauces, right? And then comes the donut. So we've done a very sweet glazed donut sort of a feel. जिसमें we've got the recipe here, we'll do it for you. बहुत चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि मैं सिर्फ बोलने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं दिखाऊंगी भी. I'm just waiting for them to finish making bombollinis. You will just take condensed milk, some icing sugar, a little bit of vanilla, whisk it together, and then you make a glaze for the donut, which you will stick your donut in once we're done. Okay? So let's see if the oil is not so hot right now. Let me increase the temperature. We're just waiting for the oil to come up to temperature. Then we can do a small test and see how they fry. So let's keep some of the dough. That's enough bombollinis. Yeah, because we need to also do churros. So can you show everyone what the actual dough looked like, the size of it before we began and what it is today? Now, that's what it looks like. Okay, and in this, what I don't like about it, so if you can see, it's slightly lumpy. So ideally now, you continue to knead it till it becomes a very smooth, soft ball. Okay, and that will give you a better result at the end of it. So how do I know if my oil is heated now? Not yet. It's not looking extremely happy, but it's looking like it's okay. So I put a small ball, it has sunk, it has no signs of coming up. So the oil is very cold. I'm going to raise the temperature a little bit just to speed up the process, and then I'll bring it back down. Now we were talking about the pistachio paste, right? This is the consistency of it. You can use either. And you have to kind of eyeball it. Now I have used the peels, so you'll see small brown specks in it. But literally guys, we've added no synthetic flavor, no color, nothing to this, and it tastes divine. So we're going to get this into a piping bag for you. See how it is a piping consistency? It should have a little bit of a fall, but it should not stick to the spatula, right? So a mind of its own. A nozzle would be ideal, so just ask them to get some. How will I pierce it?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Now,
Question.
did you roast the pistachio before making it in a paste?
Yes. So in a standard tawa at home which we use for chapati, I find them the best.
Did you add
roast
salt
it.
or anything? No.
No, nothing. Just roast it till you can actually smell it.
Okay.
Take it off
Thank you.
and rub it between your hands till the chilka falls off. Make sure they don't get burned or brown, because that will really alter the taste in a second. And I make this all the time at home, guys. I'm just checking the oil again. इसमें मैं कुछ fast forward नहीं कर सकती, so you'll have to bear with me. Okay, we are reaching somewhere now. I like the temperature it's at right now. So by the way, are you noticing that as these have been placed here and they're lying here, they become bigger in size since you rolled them. So that's the second proof. हमें सारा शुरू में बता दूंगी तो मज़ा कैसे आएगा, right? I want you to see it first and then I'll explain to you why that happened. So the yeast activated the first time and you activated the whole dough. And now what you're doing is when you roll it out and you place it here and the second proof comes, it makes it even lighter and airier, right? More fermented. Yummy stuff. Okay, can I get something to take these out with, please? Thank you. Any more questions? It could be related to anything, guys. The caking world, the baking world, home, I don't know. कुछ तो बातें करते हैं, हाँ? How was Shark Tank? Epic. What an experience, I would say. सबको एक बारी life में तो try करना ही चाहिए, चाहे deal मिले या ना मिले, but you must get on it. What a platform. That experience changed me. It helped me understand who I was as a person, and really समझ आ गया कि I am ready for खतरों के खिलाड़ी next. Like now anything can be thrown my way and I'm good to go. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this out. Which was your favorite part of Shark Tank? Of my episode only. Since you asked the question, huh?
Ma'am, what made you to leave the corporate job up for you and take the chef? And what is your inspiration?
So मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा बहाना मिला.
जॉब छोड़ने के वजह कुछ और अलग ही होती है. Means into the kitchen, and what made you to come into the kitchen?
What made me come into the kitchen?
Chef is like a kitchen, right?
घर के किचन में तो मैं कभी नहीं गई. ये सच है. But जो मैंने Shark Tank में बोला था ना that someone messed up my wedding reception cake, that is 100% true. In fact, I met the baker after that and I was like, thank you so much. Because you gave me purpose to do something. It wasn't easy though because my whole family thought I have lost it. They thought कि कोई midlife crisis बहुत ही early हो रही है life में. But I stuck to my guns. And क्या होता worst case? नहीं चलता तो बंद करके कुछ और कर देते, नहीं तो वापस चले जाते हैं तो job, right? But to be honest, look around you. Okay, let me answer it even better. Would a trade show or an exhibition like this exist 12 years ago? It did not. It did not. When you went for things like Ahar, it was largely populated by brands that do spices and masala, what's it called? Dates, your commodities, dry fruits and all of that, right? Look at it today. Confectionery is coming, and there's so much that's happening. Pasta's coming, flour is coming, atta is coming. Like, it was only one kuttu ko atta that I ever heard of in my life. And today there are like 20 types of them and you can blend them and you can do so much. So look how far this industry has gone. Like where the caking world has gone. I mean, when we started caking, we would use kitchen ke appliances and cutter and whatever you could find to make shapes, right? Katoris were everything. Okay, first one going in. डर लग रहा है आपसे. Come. We need something to... we'll use this only. But I would have actually liked the other one. Come, sit. Keep rolling it around. Make sure the oil goes all over it. Yeah. मेरे ऊपर मत डालना, please. Okay. It's fluffing up very nicely. Okay. किसको देख के भूख लग रही है थोड़ी? सर तो यहाँ पे स्माइल कर रहे हैं. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है उनकी स्माइल देख के. You're smiling. It's wonderful. I like it. See, food makes everyone happy. So when people ask me कि आप करते क्या हो? I only say one thing and maybe you can use this dialogue next time because बहुत अच्छा dialogue है. I say that I'm in the business of happiness. They're like, what do you mean? I said cakes कहाँ जाते हैं? Right? So I was earlier like you. I was a part of celebrations and today I'm part of celebrations in a much bigger way. So it's the best business in the world. Right? Okay, let's bring the temperature down. Alright. Can we just put it here? We'll just take a test and see. I think the oil is too hot now. And the thing I love about you guys, I love about this industry and how I became and why I come for demos like this and why you came from so far to meet me is because my home bakers are so close to my heart. Because it was all of you who gave me a chance 10 years ago. Actually, Confect is now 8 years old. So 8 years old, 8 years ago when I asked ki I will give you free product, can you just pick up my phone and answer? So many of you responded. So many strangers across this country gave me a chance. And that's the chance that led me here. Family ne to haath dho diye the. They were like, iska kuch nahi hone wala hai, right? So it's you guys. Sometimes you find courage in the strangest places in the world. And that is what is so special. Okay, I want you to just take a little piece, knead it, and then we put it into a piping bag. Now it's better. Yes, we're going to pipe it out. Fuad, where's the piping bag? Yeah. Perfect. So just take a little bit more. Yes, please do, and put it in that. Can you see one thing, that the dough is not sticking to my hands at all? Are you guys able to see? बिल्कुल भी chip नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. You want to come. So they don't look the most beautiful, but had we kneaded it and allowed it to prove a lot more, in the second proof, it would have been a more even shape. Chalo, since she is still frying, let's cut this and give her some churros to fry. Oh, but these are really nice. Yeah, you can feel it. So, the ones that are dense, you can actually tell the difference. Does anyone want to come in, hold two, and you'll be able to tell the difference? किसी को आना है? कौन बना रहा है घर पे? Come on, my donut lady. Come, you just have to hold it. Okay, it's a little hot. You can come from here. You don't have to come. We've run out of space now. Okay, थोड़ा गर्म है. ये वाला देखो भारी, ये वाला देखो. You can see the difference. So now when you make it at home, you know when the dough becomes lighter. All we're going to do is pierce it and fill it with some pistachio filling. Okay. And while we're doing this, can you bring the castor sugar and everything for the donuts? Let's do the cinnamon and the thing for the churros first, yeah? Okay, so let's cut the bad one first. So look. What happened here? You know what happened. We all made it happen together. Kya kiya? Okay, the oil was too hot because she was saying that it's going to take time. So we pumped up the oil. It went too hot, fried the outside. Exactly what I said, right? Now let's try the good one. And I'm apologizing to Chef Arvind in advance for the shape of the bombolinis. But this one is completely cooked. And it's really soft. And it's really pillowy from the inside. Okay? Sorry I destroyed one. Now what's left we'll distribute, okay?
Chef Gauri, since morning we had been, attending almost 4 to 5 sessions so
Wow.
far. But none of the chefs could get the audience at work.
So at the beginning of the demo I said, it's not about me coming and doing something really fancy that's not going to translate to anything at home. The idea of a demo is to come, chill with you guys, have a lot of fun, make something simple, mess it up also, which is okay, but then keep it real, right? And that's what it's all about. Maza aa raha hai na? Kitna? Bas, that's all I want.
So
For the
that's-
serious stuff, you have Chef Arvind tomorrow, by the way. He's amazing.
It's absolute pleasure to see everyone, standing by you and doing the work and learning.
That's the idea of a live demo.
yes,
Like I think you should
absolutely.
be able to do this at home, and I want you guys who make it at home to tell me कि बना दिया और आपसे अच्छे बने and ऐसे अजीब अजीब shapes नहीं निकले इसके. Okay?
And tag करना मत भूलना.
Tag करना मत भूलना please. So you can do them as you like. Where we got a little thrown was that the second proof was too short. So first that they're breaking. I mean they're not perfectly round. But bombolinis in Delhi were doing about this big. Yeah. So you can do the mini ones which are just bite size. And
Hyderabad, you get the mini ones. You don't get the big.
oh, you
ones.
don't? Okay, so Delhi doesn't do. This is so cool. I learned something amazing.
I'm a
So
food
because we have
blogger.
laddus for that, we don't do it. We just do this big, bhatura style. So everything goes in Delhi is ostentatious. In fact, when you get bombolis, literally they're this size. Yeah.
I'm a food blogger, so bombolinis have just come into Hyderabad like few months ago.
Wow. And they must be the
Nobody
really
knows.
small ones which you just
Yeah.
pop. Okay. They don't exist in Delhi.
No.
They're big.
Yeah.
So who wants to come and try, guys? No pressure. Ladies, if you keep sitting, you're gonna miss out. Okay, I'm saving this one for her. Because none of the girls have had it. All you guys keep it, picked it up. Most welcome. वो आपके वाले अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे आपको. अच्छा. अच्छा, had the second proof gone well, we would have not had this. It would have evened out. But short of time. ये लो जी. With love.
And that's how we learn as well.
Okay, so let's do
Yeah.
the churros. Okay, guys, wish me all the best. This is the next part. Donuts are cut. So I'm going to put, and you're going to cut. You're going to cut this. Wow, this dough is really. Yeah, doesn't matter. Just cut. There you go. Yeah. Go. Yeah. They're looking so cute. Maybe these are the bombolinis that she wanted. Where's my food blogger gone? Has she eaten and left? Yeah, she has. Okay, true food blogger. Are you seeing how it's looking? Can you see? Okay, so right now, guys, the oil is at the perfect temperature. It's going from a light beige to a golden brown, and this is what I wanted for my dear bombolinis that have died in war over here. But yeah. Okay, once that is done, but itne donuts. 4. Let's do a few more. Can I get a plate with the sugar and cinnamon, please? So we've got castor sugar, cinnamon. How much you put is completely up to you. Okay? I am a big cinnamon person, so I really enjoy it. See the color? It would be ideal to put them in a bowl like this and then toss them. Okay, let's get the donuts in. At least let's get the first 4. Let's begin with the glaze for the donuts. So can you please get the condensed milk, the castor sugar, and the vanilla. Okay, yeah. Nice. You can see the difference in the second proof because this had the longest time to sit. And this is the reason I do demos live. Like we got something in which was not ready to fry. That's what happened to it. By the time the oil came to the right temperature, the result was good. Then we did the churros, which was going to be really good, by the way. And now we're doing the donut. But maximum rise has come in this. And now you see how beautiful the oil is working. It's giving me the golden color without undercooking the inside. Okay, who's up? Garam garam. I love it. Brave man. They're really good, guys. Help yourself. आप लोग तो बहुत ही शर्मीले हो यार. हिलना ही नहीं है. Okay, let's get the glaze ready. Please mix it up. Okay, I want you to just look at this. So we're going to cover these with some white chocolate. They'll be delicious, and I'm going to cut them and then pass them on to everybody. Okay? हाँ, he's like, yes, ये अच्छा है. उठ के आना नहीं पड़ेगा एक पीस के लिए. चलो, let's continue. So I've had a change of mind. I've just taken a little bit of condensed milk. Well, he has actually. You have white chocolate, no? Achha, we finished it. Okay, get me dark chocolate. Change of plans. Haan, dark is right there. Just melt it and get it, please. So we'll, if you melt compound, right, and then dip it, then once it becomes cool, it'll become hard. So you're gonna get a very rough bite. It'll be like a crunchy bite, not nice, and it won't melt with the donut in your mouth. But if you add a little bit of milk, cream, or I'm just taking a little bit of condensed milk with a little bit of milk to bring the sweetness down, because the chocolate will also be sweet, and then mix it, then dip it. It'll be fabulous. Okay, the second one is almost done. हाँ, आपको भटूरे खिलाने मुझे for sure. All right. Can we get 2 more in? So we fasten this process up. We have quite a few to go. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, we'll bring it down in like a minute. Okay, this is the last of it, huh? So what all did we learn today? Let's just recap. We did churros, we've done bombolinis. Now we're trying to do mini bombolinis. We've done donuts. We've done a pistachio filling. We are going to do a chocolate filling as well. And we did churros with the cinnamon and sugar. So कितनी चीज़ें होगी? 5 चीज़ें मैंने आपको एक घंटे में बता दी हैं. करोगी घर पे? Yes? Okay. And tag me. I'll be okay if you say they came out better than the demo. That'll be the best compliment ever. Great. So we've got the chocolate. Can we put this into the chocolate? Incorporate it, please. Chalo, ab to khane ko mil jayega this close now. Ready? Can you see what he's doing? Okay. Very easy for you to do at home. Simple ingredients. Yeah, but you need to melt it a little bit more. Thank you. Yeah, please. So because you don't give it 90 minutes, अब ये भी देख लो. हमें लगा हमें और खाने को मिल जाएगा तो greed. We were like, let's try and fry it. As you can see, nothing is happening. It is the same. It looks like the Ram Laddu now. It just gone from Bombolini to Ram Laddu. Okay, so we got donuts and we're going to finish this with a bang. Can we get a... Oh yeah, Delhi person. Who knows Ram Laddu here? Just one person? Okay. Is it sweet or savory? Sweet! Okay. Next demo is Ram Laddu. We're doing this. He's here. Great. Now we can glaze the donuts. Can we get the plates ready, please? Hanji. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, while this is doing its thing, let it do its thing. Let's glaze these. Moment of truth. Wow, that's hot. Dikh raha hai? Okay, let's go. Now who's ready to eat, guys? Wow, this is really thick chocolate. Okay, let's get these two out first.
Anyone from the audience who would like to come forward and taste it?
Yeah, you can give them plates. Guys, you want plates? I'm doing more. And we've
Ma'am,
happily
we
goofed
would,
up also.
We would actually like to hear from you on the mic. Can you just repeat it?
Final take
In the
is
mic,
that
please.
we learned that you should be patient and wait for the second proof to happen. जल्दबाजी मत करो. जब कढ़ाई का नहीं पता होता तो oil की wait करा करो. We've learned many things today. And we got some really good ones. We had Ace Churros, which we rocked. Amazing time. Sir here has eaten everything I have made today, each and every one. so happy. Good. Yeah, that would be a lot of fun.
Thank you, Gauri ma'am. Now you have given us opportunity to come here to join and learn, and it is really a nice initiative and starting. I think आपने हमें जो सिखाया, टिप्स दिया, enjoy किया, आज लगा ही नहीं कि now we are I'm seeing you first time.
Yeah.
I'm it's looking like we know from a long time.
ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, right?
बिल्कुल ऐसे होना
Food
चाहिए.
makes people unite, and food is a love language
बनाते
of the
रहिए,
world.
खिलाते रहिए और प्यार बांटते रहिए.
Absolutely.
आपने जो बोला happiness, कि आपका जो
Business of happiness.
Yes, business of happiness.
Yeah,
We should capture this
I
line.
agree.
Thank you, ma'am.
So if any of you, if you guys had a good time at the demo today, कुछ तालियां मिलेंगी? Hooting, cheering, like सीखा कुछ? मुझे कौन टैग कर रहा है donuts बना के मुझे अभी बताओ. All of you. And the Bombolinis, not the mini ones that they do in Hyderabad, but the big ones that we do in Delhi, okay? And the donuts. आपको सबसे तीनों में से सबसे best कौन सा लगा? Donut. Okay, that's the win then. Thank you so much. आप लोग इतना patient थे मेरे साथ. मेरा सारा आपने सुना जितना भी मुझे बोलना था. I do get verbal diarrhea, but yeah. And you were patient while we fried everything and figured things out. But I'm happy that you enjoyed the demo. And the idea of a demo is for you to learn, not for me to come and show how cool I am. And that's what I always say. So thank you so much for your time. And ladies, I would have not done it without you. So thank you again. And this was a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So yes, with this we come to the end of
Thank you.
all
Did you
the
enjoy?
sessions for the day.
Okay.
And that's it from my end as well. All the ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us for the entire day sessions with all our prominent chefs and all the talented chefs and giving us the opportunity to teach you something. And this is your Master of Ceremonies, Preeti Shah, signing off for the day. Thank you.